On July 21, 2023, Lauderdale Lakes, Florida, a deputy spotted a suspicious assembly, a BMW, 2 U-Hauls, and heavy machinery in an unauthorized location. Property management confirmed the group was trespassing. Deputies initiated contact, but they discovered that something suspicious was going on.
You guys live in here? You live in here? You do? Okay, well, property manager said no. Do you have their license on you?
Yeah, property manager said I don't. Well, my mom stays here.
You still need your license.
Okay.
You got all this equipment that's parked up in here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, property manager is not too happy about the equipment being parked here. It's not supposed commercial equipment. It's not supposed to be parked here in a private parking lot.
Yeah, I registered with my mom. Yeah, my mom registered, so.
You don't have a physical license on you?
I don't have my car. I just had to reinstate my license.
Here, what's your first and last name? J what? J-E.
Go stand over there, buddy.
Pick up my picture right now.
No, so give me a sec, I'll look it up. Do you live in here too? Do you have an ID? Can you take your hands out of your pants? Thank you. Do you have an ID?
You got a driver's license? It's on you? It's in your phone? Oh, okay. You guys rent these from Home Depot? You guys rent these from Home Depot? How much this one cost? Daily rental, how much a day?
500.
500 a day? So I might need to rent one. Where's your guys' job at?
I don't worry, I'm in school.
Where you play ball at?
Harold Waters,
Where's that?
Jacksonville. I'm going Friday. I'm in school.
Got family down here?
Family? Yeah, I stay down here. I just went to school in Jacksonville. My school in Jacksonville.
Why'd you go to school in Jacksonville? There's so many good football schools down here.
That's why I give me a full ride scholarship. I'm going where the money at. Wherever give me the most money for
College
scholarship.
or-
Yeah, college.
Oh, okay.
I play college football.
That was high school.
Nah, college football.
What was it, Harold Waters?
Harold Waters, yeah. It's HBCU. It's in Jacksonville.
Oh, okay.
That's a good school though.
Yeah.
Division 2.
Not bad.
Hey, boss. I got a favor too.
What's up?
These shoes. It's not registered. They allowed to tour.
What's your birthday? No.
What, man?
Well, why would you register them if they're if they're like rentals, one-day rentals?
That's all I'm saying. I only have this shit for.
You got a Florida license?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For just because at the site I don't have anything to lock them up and they get stolen. That's on my name, you know.
Yeah.
So if I get stolen, they're gonna charge me for it.
No, for sure.
I got a picture of it. I got my phone.
Where's your phone?
It's in the car.
Okay, why'd you give me a different name?
No, that's
not
my
you?
name. That's it. I said.
Birthday is May 1st, 92?
No.
Alright, let me get your license from you.
Yeah.
Because there's someone that's not that.
The situation escalated when a man claimed he was present to complete a $15,000 purchase of the equipment, arranged via Facebook Marketplace.
I was coming off of Facebook to buy a machine, but I just pulled up and you guys are all here.
Well, we're trying to figure it out too. There's a lot of stuff going on.
It
Property
seemed-
manager said that they weren't supposed to be here with these machines, and we're trying to figure out if they belong to them.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find out, because I don't want to buy anything that's not legit.
Yeah, just hang out.
All right.
You got your wallet or ID?
No, I got my wallet. I just woke up.
Hey,
On my way home. I just woke up. I just got to practice. I just got to work out.
whose machines are these?
These machines. I just got to work out.
His machines?
Now you just do rentals. You do work.
Morris?
No, I don't know who machine it is, but they do work together. He'll give me a ride
Oh,
home.
they're selling them, so.
Oh. kind of hot on that side.
Yeah, pick up your ID in there. I'm trying to get his ID. That guy said he came here to buy these machines. He said he will see you. Right there. Thank you. Figure that out in a second. Hope he's got their license on him. Are these your machines? These are yours? Did you ever ask that?
Yeah, they don't have any work.
Thanks.
That's me, I just do my hair.
Huh.
Let's see what's under there. There might be somebody there, man. You never know. Florida, you'd be surprised.
I dig freaking 6 inches. I hit water probably. Digging in the ocean. Yeah, I gotta get the layouts so I can check what's back there.
That's gonna cost you, bro. Oh man. I know you won't get that one.
Everything's expensive now.
Yeah.
Gallon of gas, $4.
I be riding past the gas station trying to make it see which one I can go lesser. I be riding past
You gonna make it today?
But y'all should be tax free.
Yeah, at least for
Only
this,
in the
but
work unit.
you got a diesel truck too, so that shit,
Oh, hell.
that shit expensive.
Are they regular chargers or like RT? Y'all got like any motors in them? Like regular motors?
Not this one.
Okay, I
You
know.
see, I got the same package as him. So like pursuit packages.
So they ain't running like that X5 right there. X5 right there.
I saw that.
Yeah, you like that?
You rented that one?
Yeah.
For what, Toro?
No, I don't mess with my man's got trippy exotics.
Trippy Exotics?
Yeah, he's cool, bro. He got a problem.
Whoever rented that car from, tell him his license is so messed up.
No, not my license.
No, not yours.
Oh,
the
I
guy who owns the car.
Who owns the car?
Just got out of this one. I was just in that one. Oh man, I was just in that one. But that's the 5.
This the guy you rented it from?
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy's might get stopped because you got the dark tints. You can't see who's in it.
I just got
But
it.
you know the crazy part though, we got the car like that. That's what I meant to ask you too.
I be renting all these cars.
Damn.
The X6, the X5 right there, that one right there, and the Beamer. I had the X6 too. That's the X5. I had the X6 too. X6 BMW. Yeah.
They put us over.
Yeah.
But our license good though. We ain't got no nothing license, our license valid. Everything should be
my
good.
license valid.
But it's
My
like,
license valid.
but it's like since the car in his name, when you run the tag,
If he
everything pop up.
was driving that car,
He would have got stopped.
he would have. Well, I'll explain it. So there's there's very dark tints on the car, so we can't see who's driving it.
Correct.
So there's probable cause for us to stop the car and see if the registered owner is driving the car because
Right.
he's the registered owner, right?
Yeah.
You expect the registered owner to be driving the car.
You got a whole business. I didn't expect this. It's a whole
I know.
company.
Verify the registered owner's driving. So we have probable cause to stop you guys. Just check, okay, registered owner's not driving the car, okay, make sure your license is good, and you guys will be on your way. You wouldn't be getting any tickets or anything like that. So,
Hang on right there. I gotta ask you a question real quick, man. But I don't want to talk in front of your boys. You can hang up right in front of my house.
We all have we working like we have like jobs. Like we have like
I don't know nothing. I don't even look like I know anything about this equipment.
I
But
know
that's why
that
I'm asking you
the
what it
equipment
is.
is for when the jobs come available. Like for example, we have a job come about, and when the job come about, we be the equipment already be ready for us to go do a job.
Okay. Let me put your hands back there.
You're being detained right now
Yeah.
for pending investigation. The stuff that you're saying doesn't quite jive with what we're being told by the other people that are here. So our fear right
I'll wait for
now.
one more guy.
Yeah.
Someone going to jail?
No, not right now. We're just conducting an
That's why I
investigation.
told you, I'm bringing you your rights. I'm gonna explain it to you in a minute, okay? Listen,
I already tried to get you.
yeah, that'd be great. Listen, hey, you're already on probation. Let's make this a lot easier.
I'm
okay?
want to. I don't
No,
wanna
you've
go
been cooperative, and I would absolutely tell your PO that. This situation's a little weird, okay? I know we've been doing this a while, you know what I'm saying? Kane and I, you see me in this car, we've been doing this a while, okay? Whose car?
Listen, man.
Oh, you were here, right?
I was already here. All I was doing is when the job come available, it was in my name.
Well, here, do me a favor. We're gonna sit. I'm gonna have you sit down, okay? Sit by this tire. Sit by this tire. Sit by this tire. Sit by this tire. You want to entertain those two? Or wait?
I can wait on them there. I'll talk to them.
Well, he said that. I mean, it's with them.
Yeah.
And I gotta find out from that guy who he was meeting. Like I said, you've been nothing but cooperative, which is beneficial for you. As long as you're cooperative with us, that does nothing but help you. I understand. I'm not gonna ask you anything else because I still have to figure out what's going on. But because of the situation,
listen, hear me out. Only thing I can tell you is that I have the truck in my. I have not the truck. I have the tools in my name.
Okay, that's fine.
So
that's absolutely okay. Are these your U-Hauls in your name too?
No, not in U-Haul. Just equipment.
Who lives here?
I don't know, man.
You don't live here?
No.
How'd you get here?
I got over here. I got over here to do.
Were you in this car?
No.
So you just showed up here. That's what I'm saying. Did you just pop up here? Like I know they met you here.
I was to get the see what job.
So you were already here, but were you here in the trucks?
I was in here. I was here in one of the trucks waiting on the equipment to see what type of
That's
job.
That's what I'm asking. Because I'm just trying to figure out if you live here or you
no,
met here
I don't.
or like, what are they doing?
My address is on that right there. My ID.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm being honest with you about everything.
No, I appreciate you being honest. I promise you, being honest is gonna go a lot further than you. You don't have anything on you that's sharp, right?
No.
No, just medicine, whatever. Nothing. You have back pockets?
No.
No. You don't have anything?
No. Oh, I don't been on probation. I got 5 years probation. I don't been on that going on 3 years. I've been good.
Say again?
You'll be 88.
You have an unroofed? Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna have those two detained now, just for now. Alright? And then.
You got another roof.
Man, I've been doing good, man.
Hey, can you stand with them? You guys do me a favor? Yeah, fine. You both put your hands on your back. Not under arrest. You're not. Hey,
Oh, now we're trying to get us. I can put my hand.
Fine. Just put your hands on your back, my guy. You're not under arrest. Okay? You're just being detained.
Alright, yeah.
I thought you was gonna go somewhere.
I was trying to get us.
Like I said, you're not under arrest. You're just being detained.
I just got here, so we'll figure that out in a second.
Alright. Appreciate it. Anybody have anything sharp on them or any weapons? Nothing? No? Sir?
Subject to the branch here, so if he's being detained, he'll be able to call you whenever he can, okay?
Hey, you don't have no weapons, right? Nothing on you? Okay, cool. Can you put one of them on the other side of that? Just separate him?
Separate me?
Yeah. Can you sit down? I'm gonna have you sit on the other side of this tractor. Making sure. No, we got it. We ain't going nowhere.
Further scrutiny of the claim quickly revealed significant discrepancies, exposing an underlying scheme involving high-value stolen goods.
So now, just to get you in there, all right?
But quick question. I got my phone is in the car.
Yeah, we'll get all that.
But I'm going to do.
No, I'm just putting you in the air conditioner right now. I don't want to stand in the sun either. Hot, right?
I don't mind standing up.
That's all right. We're going to sit down that way. You're in the air conditioning. And that's all right.
No, because she has the rest.
Okay. We'll try and do some math.
Hey.
All suspects were taken into custody. They were formally charged with felonies, including organized fraud and grand theft of property valued over $50,000 by fraud.